Inukyan. May daan, no? Where's the hammock? Ano? This way is going to the river. I think. Yes. It's going to the river. Huh?
River talaga.
Oh. Ah.
Maganda rin, maganda rin.
At least no one's here anymore.
Ano?
That's why.
Oh.
These are all the names.
Welcome to Russian River. Oh, it's a short walk pala. Aray ko. Oh. Ah, ang ganda ha. Oh. Sabi ko, where's my phone? Hawak ko pala. Where's my phone? Ay, galing.
Huh?
Ang ganda, no? Yeah, okay lang yun. Mabasa.
Huh?
Oh, ang daming ano, fish. What's that? Saan na yun? Ito, oh. Daming ano, daming fish. Liliit. Sapin.
Because you're recording.
Another route to go to the river. See, there's an egg there. I always wonder what's this fruit. What tree is this? The name of the tree. There's a bridge. Oh, so ito yung bridge na ano. Oh, okay. Aray ko. Because I was looking at the... Okay, okay. So now I know the name of this. This is an oak tree. Oak tree pala. And so they have this kind of ano, yung fruit. It looks like old egg. So yeah. So oak tree. Oh my god, ang dami pala dito eh. This is what it is. Look at that. Wow. So yan yung ano nila.